Hello friends, here on this video this keyboard mic it's not showing, and sometimes it's creates the problem, and even the typing also there is a problem, sometimes slow, hanging problem you can say. So how you can solve this problem? So what I'm going to do is that I'm just resetting my keyboard. To reset your keyboard, friends, you have to move on file. Then when you move on file, from here you are going to find this directly the file icon. Here move on apps under the files, and after that from here you have to click on system apps. So from here you have to scroll on the down. You have to search for the keyboard or Gboard. I found my Gboard, so I just click on this Gboard 3-dot icon. Then move on this app information. Then after that from here you have to click on storage usage. So from here you have to clear the data. After you clear the data, your Gboard will show off, or it will, this app data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. It will delete it from this device, and when you tap on delete, your Gboard or keyboard will be reset. So just move on delete. By clicking on delete, your Gboard will your problem, keyboard problem will solve. So let's check on it whether the mic that it's not showing, it's show off or not. So here let's check on it. It says you can type in Indian language. You can add even the language also if you want to add. Example like I add this English and click on done. Then click on the back button, and here my mic is shown. It's showing. If your keyboard was not working and right now it's working, then your problem is solved successfully. And when you follow this step, if you are facing some problem, then you can give me on the comment box. You can just type on it. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.